Hey everybody, I'm going to take this D7 shape that's a D7 chord, and we're going to lay it over an A chord for a soloing, for a blues solo. Alright, and then when we get to the D chord, the 4 chord, I'll use the same D7 arpeggio. Let me just go ahead and play and then I'll explain it. Let me do that again. I'll start with an A chord. Cool, isn't it? This simple old D7 played over an A9. Alright, I'll do that again. Okay, this is just a trick that I learned somewhere along the line. As I've said in other videos, when I first started playing I had trouble with 4-chord riffs for some reason. And let me explain the number for those that don't know. Blues, you play a 1-4-5, 1-4-5. But really what that is, if I'm playing an A, I'm playing in the key of A, so I use my fingers to work the number. So A, B, C, D. So D is the 4 chord. A, B, C, D, E. So E is my 5 chord. And that's about the size of it. Now, when I get to measure 9 for the E chord, I use a straight arpeggio. When I get to measure 10, I use a straight D7 arpeggio. And then 11 and 12, instead of a turnaround for today, I'm using a tag. So I'll do the whole thing again. A simple way to solo in blues is use the arpeggios. Use what's there. You don't have to do some crazy kind of stuff and throw in diminished scales and, you know, throw in some Lydian stuff and all that kind of crazy stuff. Just keep it simple. Use a major pentatonic or a minor pentatonic, and use the chord tones or the arpeggios. And that's all I've got for today. Oh, wait a minute. Let me show you what we do with that tag. What I'm doing with that tag, it's based on an A chord, A arpeggio. So really what I'm doing on measure 11 and 12, right, that would be a turnaround. But for a tag, to end it, so, well, let me show you where I'm doing this. I'm doing this on the 10th fret. So for the tag, I'm using my middle finger. First finger on the E string, that's the 9th fret, 10th fret. And a little triplet at the end. Okay. Right there I'm using the 3rd finger on the 11th fret of the G string. Then I go to the 9th fret of the B string. And then the 10th fret on the B string. an A chord at the end. So let me do this whole thing again. And that's all I've got for today. I'll see you folks later. Bye.